Alright, we have here stock number 6498, our new beautiful 2009 Volvo S80. This is a four-door sedan, 3.2 liter automatic. Drives excellent, very nice, beautiful beige trim interior. Windows are tinted, has sunroof, works perfectly. Yeah, very sleek, very cool, business style, more uppity sedan here with plenty of backseat storage space as well. We're going to go ahead and jump in and go for a test drive. You hear the engine. This one only has 139,000 miles. Very beautiful interior. Alright, put the key in. Starts right up beautifully. Power windows, power door locks, everything works. Oh, there's the mail lady. Alright, let's go for a test drive. Yes, shifts beautifully. Engine sounds really nice. AC blows ice cold. Hey guys, get this while you guys can. This one's not going to stay long at all. Alright, thank you very much. Bye.